A significant shift in the Asian MedTech regulatory landscape just happened, creating a powerful new shortcut for market access. Effective April 2, 2024, Hong Kong's Medical Device Division will officially recognize marketing approvals from Singapore's Health Sciences Authority, or HSA. This move establishes a strategic pathway for device manufacturers, making a Singapore-first approach more valuable than ever before. For companies looking to enter both of these dynamic markets, this is a game-changing development. Instead of preparing two separate, lengthy, and resource-intensive submission dossiers, manufacturers can now leverage their Singaporean approval to significantly streamline entry into Hong Kong. This is a prime example of regulatory reliance in action. It demonstrates a growing trust between regional authorities and a commitment to reducing redundant reviews for safe and effective devices. The immediate benefits are clear. You can expect a much faster time to market in Hong Kong, reduced costs associated with regulatory submissions, and a more predictable pathway for your product launch. Consider a MedTech scale-up company based in Europe with a new Class C AI-powered diagnostic software. Their initial strategy might have involved a sequential launch. First, they would tackle the rigorous HSA review process in Singapore, which could take over a year. After that, they would begin the separate and equally demanding review process in Hong Kong. The total timeline could easily stretch to 2 years for both markets. Under the new framework, once their software gains HSA approval, the Hong Kong submission becomes a verification process rather than a full re-evaluation. This could potentially cut their Hong Kong entry timeline by more than half, allowing them to commercialize in both markets almost simultaneously. This development solidifies Singapore's position as a premier reference market in Asia. It tells the industry that an HSA approval carries significant weight across the region. Companies must now ask if their Asia-Pacific strategy is optimized for this new reality. A successful Singapore registration is no longer just a key to one market. It is now a domino that can trigger a faster cascade of approvals elsewhere. Navigating these evolving regulatory dynamics requires specialized expertise and real-time insights. For guidance on how to leverage pathways like this and optimize your global market access strategy, please email or visit Pure Global.